Phonics lesson 155. One new special sound today. We are not even going to review everything else. We are literally going to talk about one new special sound, then your worksheet, and then next week is all about learning I'm going to give you some new special sounds, and next week's going to kind of tie everything together for phonics. So with that being said, enjoy the easy day in phonics today. One new special sound. Can you see it? Iron, fire, I-R-E. Iron, fire, I-R-E. Now, I know that when we have spelled words in the past with long I, R, silent E, sometimes it gets a little confusing to think about not putting the Y in there. I-y-y-y. There is no Y in iron, fire, I-R-E. I would be the I, but the long I makes that silent E. You see how that works? Again, special sounds are special for a reason. Iron, fire, I-R-E. Iron, fire, I-R-E. Let's look at some words. These all have iron, fire, I-R-E. N in enjoy, entire, entire. Entire means all of it. Entire means everything. Entire. The entire bucket of marbles was spilled on the floor. Oh my goodness. Entire. Next one. This one has iron, fire at the end. Actually, can you see all of them have iron, fire at the end? Moving on. Require. Require. Require means you must do it. Require. Next one. Wire. A wire is a cord. It's usually a metal cord of some kind. Wire. Next one. Retire. Retire. To retire means you're finished working. You have worked long enough that you can finish working. I am not ready to retire. Retire. I still have work to do. Retire. Moms and dads, are you ready to retire from this whole distance learning thing? Wink. Next, desire. Desire. Desire means to want something. I desire to give you a great big hug, and someday soon, I know I will be able to do that. Desire. It is my heart's desire. And finally, inquire. 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 To inquire means to ask. If you are inquiring about something, you are asking. Inquire. Let's read all 6 words from the beginning. Entire, require, wire, retire, desire, inquire. Now, something you need to make note of with iron, fire, I-R-E. Be very careful you're not circling in bird, I-R, and forgetting all about that E. If you see something like this, now your mind has to see, oh, is it in bird, I-R? Well, no, there's an E there. That E makes it a long I. So you're going to be circling I-R-E together instead of in bird, I-R. And what do I do with the E? Then you'll be reading something and then a silent E, but that's not how it goes. When you have I-R-E, be careful not to circle in bird, I-R. Make sure it indeed is I-R-E. Iron, fire, I-R-E. All right, that's it for today. No review of other special sounds. We will catch up with that on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday next week. Maybe all of them. And the last thing for today, go grab your phonics paper, page 223. If you have not already, Jesus helps. Jesus feeds the people. That's your story for the week. So I would like to hear a recording of this story, all 4 pages. All right, grab pages 223 and 224, front and back. Ta-da! You ready? I'm just going to give you the instructions and you can do it on your own. Section 1, circle the special sounds and read the words. Section 2, read the sentences and do what each one says. I'm not even going to read the sentences because that would be giving it away. Oh, that's the rest of the page. Super. Okay, on the back, write in the missing special sounds and color the picture. So over here, we have an animal. Can you see what you need to add? What is this? It's a dragonfly. And part of the word is written. Der and drum, dragon, full, I and fly, dragonfly. So yes, take your pencil, do it now while I'm on the video, and write in those special sounds. Der, dragon, fly, I and fly. Next one, what is this thing right here? Mushroom. Mush and ship, write it in there, hurry. Mush, oo and tooth. Mushroom, mushroom. We have 2 more to do. Make sure you do it now so you don't have to do it later. And then this is a frog, fur and frog, clue word, FR. And down here, leaf, E and leaf, EA. Now I'll leave it up to you if you want to color the picture. You do not have to. You do not need to submit this at all. Just, I'm most worried about the front side. You don't have to color unless you want to. And that's all for today. That's all for this week. Woohoo! Next week, I'm just going to throw at you all the rest of the special sounds just so you can have them in your brain, because when you go to 1st grade, it's going to be just a little bit easier if you have a little bit of understanding in your brain for these special sounds. But I'm telling you what, these are big kid special sounds. So, rest up over the weekend because the whole Chart 13 is coming your way next week. That is all for today. Adios for now.